Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. I have not opened this yet. I just got it in the mail today. Like literally just got it. So let's see what I got. Ooh. There's the card that came with it. This is the bag. A little different. And let's see what's inside. Alright. First thing I will grab is a Briorgio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. This is for your hair. So I'll have to give that a try. Alright, what's the next thing? I'll grab the other bottle of stuff. This is a restorative toner, and it's Ipsy. I don't even know how to say that, but it's a toner for your face. After cleansing with hydrating facial cleanser, moisten a cotton pad with a small amount of restorative toner and apply it in an upward and outward strokes over the face and neck. For best results, use daily to enhance skin tone. Follow with daily facial sunscreen in the morning and rejuvenating night cream at bedtime. So I'll have to give that a try and see how it works. I was supposed to get an extra thing because I used my points, but it's not in here. I was supposed to get a lip gloss and I don't see it. So, alright, next thing I got a Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. Mini mascara. I'll have to try that out and see how I like it. I don't have any Tarte products yet, so we'll see how it is. And the next thing I got is a Trestique mini highlight stick. That should work good for under my highlight. Oh yeah. That'd be a good base shimmer for my other highlights that I have. And the last thing that I got is a brush. I love when I get brushes. And this is an ombre angle brush that I could probably use for blush because I don't have a specific brush for blush at the moment because I don't really wear blush very much. But yeah, it's nice and soft and should feel nice putting makeup on with it. But yeah, that is it for my Ipsy bag. But I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get my lip gloss that I used my points on for. That should have been in here. But yeah, so that's what I got in my Ipsy bag. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. I have my next video coming up is a soft cut crease, so stay tuned and watch for it. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, and all the links will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye!